evening, children. Tonight, we're going to make a special dessert. Our culture, every holiday makes food. Everybody brings food, and we even ask the children to bring a special dish. So tonight, I'm going to teach you how to make a very easy dish, so the next time you have your family dinner, you'll have a special dish that you can bring. Our culture believes in the 3 F's: food, family, and fun. So I'm going to teach you the food part tonight, and this is easy. Each one of you pretty much can make this dessert. As you can see on our slide, there are 3 different types of brownies represented here. We have cheesecake brownies, pumpkin brownies, and caramel brownies. Well, we're not going to make any of those brownies tonight. We're going to make my mom's special brownies. And what makes them so special? You get to choose your own filling. And there are many kinds of fillings that you can use, but tonight we just have 3 fillings. We have butterscotch chips, we have M&M's, and we have some trail mix, which has peanuts and raisins and different types of things. And you are going to choose what you want to put in those brownies. We need to gather a few ingredients before we get started, and of course you need your brownie mix, and it doesn't matter what kind of mix you get. You can get any kind of brownie mix in the store. You're going to need some eggs, you're going to need some oil, which is already measured out, and we're going to need some water. And we're going to need some pan spray, and it doesn't matter what kind of pan spray you use. You can just get pan spray for your pan. Now, we need a few utensils as well. We need some measuring cups, we need a wooden spoon, we need a large bowl, and a baking pan. So go ahead and get those things ready. Now you're all ready to bake. The first thing I want you to do is ask an adult for some assistance, because you need to set your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to let you be an assistant as well. Okay, so while your adult is fixing the stove for you, then you just go ahead and spray your pan. Just shake it up a little and just spray it all over, and just sit that aside for a while, because we don't need that right now while your oven is preheating. Go ahead and open your brownie mix. Put it in your bowl. Don't need a plastic bag. Okay. Keep your trash all together, so at the end you won't have a lot to clean up. Okay. Then you want to add in your oil, which you need 1/2 cup of oil. So you go ahead and add that in. And you need 1/4 cup of water. Add that in. This particular recipe says you can use 3 eggs or 2 eggs. I'm going to use 2 eggs because we want chewy brownies, okay? And you may need some help with this as well. If you don't know how to crack the eggs, get some help, because we don't want shells in our brownies, right? No, we don't. Okay, so if you need help with that, you can get help with that. And once you get all your ingredients in, you just give them a good stir. Not a flip fast stir, because you can flip it right out of the pan. So kind of take your time, go around the sides, and get it mixed in pretty good. And the best way to do it, and it may take you a little practice, is to pour your bowl one direction and pour your spoon the opposite direction. And that helps you get everything all mixed in real good. And then once it gets mixed good, you can give it a little faster stir. You won't even need a blender for this. And I think you can do this probably in about 5 minutes. Okay, once all these ingredients are mixed in, then we're going to put our special ingredients in. And we're going to let Stevie choose some special ingredients. Just grab a couple, put it inside, drop it in. Just grab a couple and drop it in. Thank you. Okay, and I'm going to put a couple M&M's in, okay? Okay. Just grab a couple and drop them in. That's great. Okay. And the rest of you will have an opportunity to decorate them on top when we're done. Once you've done this, put them right inside the pan. You can also use something called a spatula, which we didn't have today, to get every bit of the batter out. Okay, and once it's in the pan, I know somebody wants that bowl, so you smooth it in real good. And we're going to wait until it bakes before we put the other toppings on there because they can melt. So while they're kind of warm, we can put a few M&Ms on it and some other things. Now you guys have helped me out, so we only have a few left. We do have a few brownies to serve to you that we made a little bit earlier. Thank you very much for your time. And in conclusion, just remember, our family culture is family, food, and fun. Thank you.